Hello everyone. Today I will introduce you to the latest model of a power bank from Robot, which is the Robot RT180 10,000 mAh power bank. This is a power bank that is relatively small in size and can be carried with you to many places, providing energy support for your phone when there is no power outlet. Especially, this product has been trusted by a large number of customers and has sold more than 48,000 products on the e-commerce platform. And today, let's explore this special power bank together. Firstly, looking at the design of the product, it is mainly white with a black rounded border that is very eye-catching. The product is also designed to be very compact and lightweight, with a thickness of only 12 mm and a weight of 225 g, so you can carry it with you without worrying about any inconvenience. The product has one output USB port, 5V/2.1A, for charging your phone, and two input ports, Type-C and micro USB, for charging the power bank, providing you with versatility when using it. The product has a power of 10 W, a battery capacity of 10,000 mAh, and a LiPo battery core that is more durable and safer than other types of batteries. The power bank can be fully charged in about 5.5 hours for use. It has multiple intelligent protection layers that automatically recognize the appropriate voltage for the device, ensuring safety when in use: overheat protection, short circuit protection, reset mode, overvoltage protection for input charging, overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection for output charging, anti-surge protection, and anti-short circuit overcurrent protection. Overall, the product is compatible with many devices with large battery capacity. It is compact, lightweight, and has a firm grip that is slip-resistant and fingerprint-resistant, making it easy to carry when traveling for work or leisure. It meets the standards of civil aviation and can be carried on board. And those are my personal reviews of the Robot RT180 10,000 mAh power bank. If you find it helpful, please leave a like, a comment, and remember to subscribe to our channel to support us in future videos. See you again.